Welcome back. This is going to be another really brief video, and I'm sorry for all of the brief ones lately. With moving and everything, I'm still not done trying to organize, with that, and I have not felt well since Saturday. If you're in my Facebook group, then you know why. But today we're going to be making some DIY poo spray. Now, if you're in any of the Dollar Tree groups on Facebook, you've probably seen everybody, just clamoring to their stores to try to buy this poo spray, and it's sold out everywhere. Nobody can find it. You know what? It's easy to make it yourself, and it's not a new product. This type of product has been around for years and years. Poo-Pourri is a really big name brand, and it's a little costly, and it's so easy to make yourself. Basically, all it is an oil-based product that you spray into your toilet, and the oil disperses on top of the water and it creates a barrier. It traps anything below the surface of the water and separates it from anything above the surface of the water. So when you spray it into your toilet, and it creates that film, when you go to the bathroom, all of the odor is trapped underneath the water, and there's no smell. Like I said, all it is, excuse me, is an oil-based thing. We're going to be using essential oils, rubbing alcohol, and distilled water, and that is it. Now, these little labels here I made on my computer, and I'll have them available for download so that you can print them on your own. This light is atrocious, but these are a lot prettier in person. Yeah, the colors are more vibrant and pretty, but anyway, and it tells you how to use it. I put a cute little saying on there, 5 sprays in the loo before you poo. So basically 5 sprays of the product in the toilet, and then you go to the bathroom. But check it out right up here on my website. You can download them and then print them out so that you can put them on your bottles. The bottles, this is a 2-ounce bottle. The bottles and the essential oils I get from Amazon. Look in the comments. I'll have a comment pinned telling you where I get everything, okay? So first off, into our little bottle here, excuse me, we're going to put 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol. I'm not going to measure this just because, it's just me here. But I'm going to pour just a little bit. Let's do a little more. There we go. Of the alcohol into your bottle. Now you're going to put a total of 20 to 25 drops of essential oil in with the rubbing alcohol. These are the two that I want to choose, lemongrass and bergamot. I really like those kind. I think it's really a nice scent. You can use whatever you want, like orange and rosemary is really, really nice. Lemon and rosemary. But it doesn't matter how many oils you use, just so as, yours kind of equals up to the total, 20. I like mine strong, so I say 20 to 25 drops. If you want yours a little less strong, just do less, 10 to 15 drops. It depends on you. But this is what I'm going to use. Okay, now once you have your oil and your alcohol in the bottle, you're going to shake it really, really well so that they can mix together. As you know, alcohol kind of helps work as an emulsifier to help the water and the oils kind of blend together. Like in perfume making. That's what perfumers use, is alcohol to help the liquid base and the perfume oils all meld together. And you're just going to shake that really well. I suggest putting your label on after you do this, because sometimes your bottle can leak. See, there's just a little bit right there. Sometimes the bottle can leak and you don't want to ruin your label. And then once you have that mixed together, you want to use some distilled water. Whoop, I just lost the lid to my bottle. It's rolling around. So you're going to just put in some distilled water, leaving just a little bit of space at the top of your bottle, to give you some shaking room. And then we're going to put the lid back on. And then you're just going to shake it up really, really well again. Now the alcohol should have everything, pretty well melded together so that you don't have to shake it again, right before you use it. But I still like to do that. I shake it 2 or 3 times before I spray it. But anyway, that is it. That's all that there is to this product. So I'm going to set that there. And with the labels here, I just printed mine out on regular paper, and then I take a really wide piece of packing tape and just tape over it, tape that to my bottle. You can print it out on sticker paper, however you want to attach it to your bottle. But, keep in mind that in case it should get wet or something, your label can get ruined. So that's why I suggest covering it with a wide piece of packing tape and wrapping it around the bottle. But there you go. That is it. You know, really inexpensive depending on what oils you use. Roughly 50 cents a bottle it costs to make this stuff yourself. And it's a lot safer than spraying chemicals and all kinds of crap that, you know, you don't know what's in the container. You actually know what's in here. So there you go. So if you would, please give this video a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button. Check me out on other forms of social media. I'll have the links to all of those in the description box down below. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye-bye.